Hey guys, I'm out here painting a shop sign for my buddy Waylon, um, also part of Goondogger's Car Club. Um, just doing little things, trying to get used to doing this, get my hands used to it, see how it feels, and if I actually like it. My dogs are on the other side of the fence, so I'm in the garage. We'll see if they start acting a little too crazy or anything. I don't know if you guys figured out or not from the last video, but I can't seem to paint and talk at the same time. I get distracted, jack it all up. But the color scheme, I ended up designing this in on paint was in green and gold. Um, and I had a weird time. Went to Walmart trying to find some gold paint. I was gonna paint this green and put gold paint on it, but unfortunately Walmart's completely sold out of most kinds of paint right now. So, yeah. But I actually found this one, Christmas green, and I ended up for this one here, for the lettering for Wayland's, I ended up mixing a solid chunk of Christmas green with um, Laguna, whatever that is, kind of a teal color, and then just some plain white, just a little bit of that, and it ended up making this color. Looks pretty decent on the gold, I think. I just spray painted the gold on, some Rust-Oleum. Um, yeah, so he has the biggest truck in the whole club so far as I know. Like I said, we just started pretty recently, less than 6 months ago, so I still haven't managed to meet everybody yet with everybody's schedules. Um, but he has a huge truck outfitted with all kinds of stuff. It's actually really cool. It's named the Tow Pig, so I ended up making a sticker on paint, and he ended up liking it, so we're gonna try this one out, see how it turns out. These letters were gonna be on black back when this mix here was gonna be the whole color of the background. So this was gonna be green, this was gonna be gold, and these letters were gonna be black. Um, yeah, it didn't end up working, you know. So Who knows? You know, when this dries, it may end up having an older kind of look. That'd be cool. I have no idea. But I'm trying to get used to doing this in one attempt. All things don't work that way, I know. But he's pretty antsy out there. My nieces and nephews are just here, and they brought him outside to play with him. When they left, he got lonely. So, don't want anybody thinking he's whining or anything, because I never play with him. I actually get a lot of playtime in. And that little bark is the Chihuahua. I'm definitely gonna find a better chair for this, because this is terrible. On my back. It's horrible. It does not feel good. Or I'll just throw another tire on this little stack here. And see how that feels. And that's my wife there. But it's not turned out bad so far.
Did they put Piggy off already?
I don't know, babe. Yeah, that one's a neighbor's dog. I don't know if you could hear her. We don't actually have a dog named Piggy. Or we don't actually have a pig. We have a dog named Piggy. It's a little Chihuahua. Because she's tiny. Hi.
Hey,
Mm-hmm.
you found it?